now we will move on to module 2, reading and writing, which also has 33 questions. So the first question from this one: the following text is adapted from Elizabeth von Arnim's 1922 novel, The Enchanted April. Mrs. Wilkins and her friend Rose are traveling in Italy. "I'm going to have one of these gorgeous oranges," said Mrs. Wilkins, staying where she was and reaching across to a black bowl piled with them. "Rose, how can you resist them? Look, have this one. Do have this beauty." And she held out a big one. As used in the text, what does the phrase "reaching across to" most nearly mean? Is it A, joining with, B, gaining on, C, stretching toward, or D, arriving at? So she's obviously trying to get one of the oranges. Since she's trying to reach at one of the oranges, C is the best answer, stretching toward. This is the best answer because as used in the text, reaching across to most nearly means stretching toward. So the text begins with Mrs. Wilkins stating that she wants to have one of the oranges that she is admiring. The text then indicates that Mrs. Wilkins, staying where she is, holds out a big orange to her friend. So this context suggests that the text describes Mrs. Wilkins as reaching across to the bowl of oranges, and it means that she is stretching toward the bowl. So A is incorrect because the text never suggests that Mrs. Wilkins is joining with or becoming attached to the bowl of oranges. Rather, the text indicates that she is stretching towards the bowl so she can pick out oranges for herself and her friend Rose to eat. And B is incorrect because the text never suggests that Mrs. Wilkins is gaining on or overtaking in competition or race the bowl of oranges. The text suggests instead that the bowl is sitting still on a surface and that Mrs. Wilkins is extending her arm toward the bowl so she can pick out oranges for herself and her friend Rose to eat. And D, arriving at. This is incorrect because the text doesn't indicate that Mrs. Wilkins is arriving at the bowl of oranges. In fact, the text states that Mrs. Wilkins just stays where she is when she is reaching across the bowl, meaning that she remains at a distance from it. So